I made this delicious suya pasta for my family, and it came out so nice and delicious, so tasty. So I thought to share with my family members, with you, my online family members, my community members, because there's love in sharing. Why not? If not, hello, family members. Hello, community members. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hajoke here again. Thank you for tuning into my video. In today's video, we're gonna be making yummy pasta with a little bit of a twist in it, and the twist is suya, adding suya into it rather than other, instead of our or normal proteins, maybe chicken or normal. So firstly, I have my seasoned beef, my seasoned steak. Yeah, I already seasoned it overnight. I put it in the fridge so just to marinate it, and then I chop them into my desired sizes. You can do yours just the way you want it. The main twist in it is just you seasoning your protein. If you don't want to use beef, you can use chicken or whatever you want to, whatever protein of your choice. But just make sure to season them with your normal seasoning and add the generous with your suya spice. Yeah, with your suya seasoning. Season your protein with it. And then go ahead and fry it together with your onions. Yes, you fry it together with your onions, and I added a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper, depending on how you want it hot. Just do whatever you want with it. I use two because this pepper, believe you me, they're very hot, and I don't want them to be too hot because I've got little kids that are gonna eat. They are the one gonna eat most of it anyway, so I want to be moderate with my heat. So I went on and chopped my Scotch bonnet pepper into smaller pieces, fried it along with my suya beef that was already on the fire. I used my signature, I call it my signature seasoning. Yeah, in one of my videos I'm gonna do a video of how I make this seasoning. They are made up of herbs, nine season that you will like, to be honest. Trust me, I'm gonna make a video of them when I'm gonna do a new one. So I added my tomato paste just to give it that little bit of jollof flavor, you know what I mean. So I added it into it. If it's your first time coming across our video, please do give us a follow or subscribe into our channel, and tell us, comments below and tell us where you're watching us from, so we can give you a shout out from my next video. That's what we're gonna be doing this year. Yeah, I want to be giving my followers, I want to be giving my family. I don't see you guys as my followers, you guys are my community members, you are my family, we are one. Because on this app, no one is teaching anyone, we are all learning from each other. It's just, it's not as if nobody, we don't know how to cook in our house, but sometimes you just need some inspiration. That's all we need, to be honest. I know we all can cook in our own unique ways. Sometimes you just need that inspiration, or you don't know what to cook, you're confused. It does happen to me sometimes as well. Sometimes I just get bored of my usual style of cooking and I try to learn more. We are all learning. We are all work in progress. So feel free to comment if there's anything, any question you want to ask. I'll be in the comment section. Feel free to ask, and I'll be so happy to answer all your questions. Thank you so much once again. Like I said earlier, if it's your first time of watching our video, or you've even been watching it, even my old followers, either you're new, let's get to know each other more and more. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from, so I can give you a shout out in my next video? Okay, I want to be doing that so we can know each other more and more, not just on the app but by watching the video. Let's know each other, encourage each other. It's a new year, new season, new blessing for all of us, guys. So after marinating everything together, after stirring your pasta, your ready cooked pasta, just stir them all together. Make sure everything circulates. Let everything jump, and then you just cover to cook for about 5 minutes, just so the season. And look at that, after 5 minutes, open it. That's what you go. It tastes so delicious, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.